Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Friday night. We're going to do a market review tonight. We're going to get into a quick little update, see what's going on, and see where things are going. Welcome to the Hodler Fud Crypto, your new source for all things crypto. I'm Rod. Thanks for joining me, guys. Let's get started with things tonight. We're working towards doing our $300 to $10,000 challenge. I've been hitting some stuff. Just real quick stuff. The market was looking really good today. Things went well for people. So it was good to see that a little bit of spry come back in and hit some green notes. Today was pretty good for me. I'm pretty happy. I can't complain. But I hold a little bag of audio, so it took off today. So let's hop into the market, see what's going on, cover some news, and we'll get back to that 300 to 10,000 K challenge that I've been alluding to, but let's hop after it here. So we get into the market cap. We're going up. We're to $1.7 trillion in market cap, so it's nice to see that get back to kind of numbers from 2 weeks ago. Hopefully we can keep increasing on that and work our way up, but who knows. Honestly, guys, things are looking really healthy right now. We've got a $54,000 Bitcoin still holding down the top spot. We've got Ethereum coming in at number 2. Ethereum still just under that $1,700 mark. It has recovered a little bit. Well, it's performing with Bitcoin. They're just right in around that 5%, give or take a quarter either way. Tether still holding on to number 3. Binance coin is sliding down a little bit, actually. And Cardano's moved up a bit to close that gap between the 4-5 spot. Polkadot's still sitting in at number 6. XRP is still jumping, up 20% on the week. So things are, maybe something's going to pop off here for XRP. Yeah, and the SEC is now saying markets are allowed to list XRP, but it's still hovering around that 56-cent mark. I think the lowest it was 42 cents last week. But anyways, number 8, we got Uniswap. Number 9, Theta. 10, Litecoin. And we still got Chainlink sitting on the outside, but not by much. I think after the weekend, I think Chainlink's going to pop itself back into the top 10 here and maybe push out Litecoin or Theta. Theta's given up a lot of leg room today. I mean, it's still up 52% this week, but they've lost 8%, so they are losing a little bit of their market cap. So time will tell what things come out here, right? But things are looking healthier today in the market than they have in a while. I just want to slide down here and see if we've got anything sliding up new into the top 25. Not really. Let's check out the biggest gainer from the last 24 hours. BitMax token. They've just rebranded this year to AscendEX. I was in this project. Well, I own this token. I wrote it up. I didn't get the 2x out of it. I wish I had stuck around for that. But anyways, solid exchange. I love it. I use it a lot. Filecoin is the second biggest gainer for the last 24. And then Holo or Hot is still sitting around just over a penny now. So there's some big things happening down here for some gainers. Let's check out the last 7 days. We'll go 7 days for the biggest gains. Right now we're looking at Dent as well as BitMax as well. Still holding in here strong. Anchor is a great little project. A couple people have said to watch out for it, but it's taken off. It's up 85% in the last 7 days, which is pretty good considering what three of those days look like this week. So some big things happening here on the market. So definitely some areas to get in and capitalize on, guys. So again, it's just about doing your research, finding what you're looking for. I'm really shocked that in this 7-day window we're not seeing audio. So I've been in audio for the last little bit, and maybe it's here and I just can't read. I'm not sure, but audio is going absolutely bananas. It's done a 2x in the last week, so I'm not sure why it's not listed here. I'll have to look into that later. Let's jump into some news here, see what's going on in the market. Stock to Flow creator doesn't think Bitcoin's bull market is done. That's good news. We all want to stick around and make some money. Bitcoin's price seems to have stalled below 60,000 after attaining new all-time highs earlier in March. Plan B, a crypto analyst active on Twitter, thinks Bitcoin may still have a lot of room to gallop, however. In his opinion, we're only 4 months into the bull market and nowhere near the end of it, Plan B tweeted on Friday. Bitcoin is just getting started. Great news. The market's showing right now that we're getting the support. So we can only ride this out as far as it'll go. But right now it looks like if we can break that 60,000 mark, there's some projections that are showing that we'll get 100K Bitcoin by the end of next week. So that is big news. This bull market is still got a lot of run left in it, guys. So don't don't buy into all the FUD that's out there. Don't let people tell you that it's over. The trend is your friend. I think the next one's going to show us here about it following the curve from 2013 as well as 2017. But let's go ahead into it. Bitcoin can reach 400,000 in 2021 as risk-off reserve asset from Bloomberg. So this is big on a couple of reasons here. 400,000 K, what's up? Everybody likes that. But the other thing that's big about it is we got Bloomberg. So we got more mainstream media coverage coming into this market and giving a little bit of a spotlight shining on it. So as that starts to happen more and more, we've already got institutional money, but now what we really need to see is start seeing this other retail money come in. The small people, the individuals like you and me, start pumping money in. People start reading stuff like this, and they're going to want to jump in. So watch for that. This is going to definitely help with the bull market take off. Right here it says Bitcoin still gets criticized for being too volatile, but one of Bloomberg's analysts believes that it conversely is becoming a risk-off choice for investors. Fantastic, right? Like a lot of people are getting the money. You're seeing it all the time. Bitcoin's being put on balance sheets for big companies. Tesla's in there. Guys, like Bitcoin is the deal. People are flocking to it for a reason. So let's just keep an eye on this. Get in. If you don't have a lot of this in your portfolio, you know, a healthy portfolio, they say will have anywhere from 15 to 30%, 25%, depending on how big of a portfolio you're playing with. But just kind of keep that in mind. Like some people are only putting their money, or most of their money into Bitcoin, and some are playing in the altcoin market as well. So keep an eye on things. You know, try to find a good balance in your portfolio. You want some stability. Bitcoin is that for you, okay? Let's go. We've got FOMO or fundamentals. Here's why Orient Protocol, or ORN, rallied by 730%. Orient Protocol has rallied 730% since February to hit a $5 million market cap. But what's really behind the recent gains? As the decentralized or DeFi industry grows, new exchange and liquidity pools consistently emerge. For the average investor, keeping track of all of them and finding the best yield opportunities has become increasingly complicated. Orient is about getting all that information together for you guys, so it's one stop and making sure that information's coming over. Those Oracle protocols are huge for making these markets tick a little bit. So definitely some good news. Any means, I think the DeFi market's still going to have some really big pumps coming up here in April. April's going to be a good month for everybody, I hope. So let's keep on track here. We've got some NFT news. Super Chief opens first ever gallery dedicated to NFT art in New York City. Again, just a big highlight on the NFT craze. Things are going absolutely crazy. So in the article here it says mainstream adoption of NFT tokens doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon, as the first ever art gallery dedicated solely to NFT-backed art has opened in New York City. Again, super, 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 super trendy right now, guys. The trend is your friend, they say, in cryptocurrency. Jump into some NFTs, do your research, find something, and see what you can get into. April is going to be bananas. Like, everybody's been so like down on the markets lately, guys. Things are going to pump here. So I'm going to give some options here at the end. We'll talk about some stuff, but we'll see what the market has in store for April. Tomorrow I'm going to do 5 coins that I'm watching for April for big breakouts, and 3 of those 5 coins are going to be in my portfolio for the $300 to $10,000 challenge. And the last bit of news, again, NFT train, Lego could be hopping on. A mysterious, since deleted tweet from the toy maker has piqued the interest of NFT collectors. I mean, who hasn't played with Lego? This is going to hit on the niche market of all of us loving and playing with Lego as kids. So, The Lego Group, a toy manufacturer best known for its popular interlocking plastic bricks, hinted it may be getting into the latest craze in the crypto space. On Wednesday, the official Lego Twitter account posted and then quickly deleted a message referencing NFTs with a short video clip. The tweet read, "Zeros and ones, but still a brick," along with the NFT hashtag. Could be implied that the famous toy manufacturer is considering entering into the crypto space once again. That is super cool. I mean, everything else is getting into it, guys. Pokemon, trading cards, artwork, like, why not? This is super, super bullish if this happens. This one could pop off just for nostalgia purposes with people. Things could absolutely go bananas for Lego if it gets in. I mean, every kid already wants it. Why not make it every adolescent and adult wanting it now too, right? So that's a quick little market rundown there. Just get back in here and go over to the mainstream. It seems like I'm doing these on my own. There's nobody around, but I'm using this as a recording setup anyways, guys. Again, I want to see this thing take off. I want good things to happen. I want to do the $300 to $10,000 challenge. It's going to take me some time. I've already got 2 of my coins picked. I'm not going to bring them out. I'm going to release that all tomorrow to you guys. It's going to be huge. Huge, like Donald would say. I wonder what Donald's doing now. Anyways, I digress. The 8-week time frame might be a little bit advantageous, but because I'm not going to be doing leverage trading, it's going to be more or less taking that $300 and slowly moving it through other projects to see where we can get in and get a little bit of a pump and make some return on money. At the end of the day, guys, I don't care if it takes me 12 weeks, 16 weeks. I want to make it quick, but I want to also get through it. So, first things first, the channel's got to grow. We gotta build a network here, guys. So I would like to see some new subscribers. I've tried this, sharing this on Twitter tonight at the same time, opening myself up to a bunch of criticism because I'm the new guy and blah 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 blah. But we're gonna jump into this and we're gonna make a run at it. So just keep watching. I want you guys to smash that subscribe button, hit the like, turn on the bell notification so we get notified on when things are going off. But some super big news. I mean, you hear a bunch of stuff today like Cardano is going to be delayed with the release, and Ethereum layer 2 upgrades are going to be delayed a little bit. These things all happen, guys. All we know is that things are still trending, that this bull run's going. It looks like most of this stuff they're going to push off until July, which historically June's given us a bit of a dip anyways. So it's setting it up for a really strong summer. All we can do is really pay attention to what we're doing, getting into the right projects. Again, we talked about it yesterday. Don't beat yourself up if you can't time the market. Nobody's going to get into that perfect low and nobody's going to get out that perfect high. But you got to find what makes sense to you and get in at a great trade. You don't want to be FOMOing into something. 2 weeks ago, as everybody thought Matic was going to keep popping and popping and popping, it sure didn't. Matic is down to 34 cents today. So it's such a small cap, but you tend to buy more of those, and it just starts to really gravitate that pulling down your portfolio and stuff like that has a hit like that. So, anyways, I need some comments. Let's see some comments. Let's get some people talking. It would be great to get some feedback. Anything we can do to help, guys. As I said yesterday, at 1,000 subscribers, I will pick one random person, and they will win a Ledger Nano X wallet, or we could give away $200 in coins, $200 Canadian. So probably $1 or $153 US or whatever it is. But get after me, guys. Like, help me out here. I really want to make this thing work for me and for you. So holler at your boy. Help out the Hodler FUD get through this, okay? If there's anything that you guys want to talk about, drop me a message. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'm on all those. I'm not really sure what Telegraph is, but I'll probably have to get into it because everybody else seems to be doing it anyways, guys, it's been a blast. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm hoping to do 2 tomorrow, 1 Sunday, and then maybe bumping into a Monday morning takeoff where we'll do a market prediction for the whole week, and then maybe continue on that path doing a morning video and then an evening video. The morning video being more of a market review, kind of what these videos have been, and then jumping into the evening where we get into maybe dissecting a little bit about a coin and what that coin has to offer. So again, subscribe, like, and turn on that bell notification. Anyways, guys, thanks. That's all I got. Have fun. Make some money.